Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So, if you really want to get good band scores in IELTS reading, do practice with me. I am showing you on the left side reading text and on the right side questions. So, you can pause the screen also, and before announcing my answer, you can find your answer. And along with my practice, notice how I am finding the answer, how I am reading the question statements along with the keywords and all. What kind of keywords I am selecting in the question statement, that is important to notice in this video. Okay, so reading title here is a comparative study of innovation practices in business. A comparative study of innovation practices in business. Why I am reading the title name again and again? Because I want to understand the meaning of this title, because I am not going to read whole passage first and then try to solve the answers. No, I am just trying to understand the meaning of the title so that it can visualize something. My brain can visualize something that I am going to read about some innovative things or innovative practices in businesses, and comparative study is there. So don't try to understand the story of the reading passage. Okay, and this reading was part of 5th July 2025 IELTS exam in India. So for this reading, what kind of questions they have provided us? Let's see this. So first type of question here is look at the following theories and question number 1 to 7 and the list of experts. List of experts means list of people kind of question is there. So these questions are really easy to find correct answers. I will tell you in this video. And second type of question here we have. Second is complete each sentence with the correct endings A to I below. So here you can see complete each sentence with the correct ending. So again same type of question, both the questions are equally same. Here in first type of question we were having list of people, and here we have a list of options. So same, these all are incomplete sentences. We have to complete with the help of these endings. So let's start with the first type of question, that is list of people kind of question. So how we will be doing it? Of course, with the help of these person's name. These person's name will be easier to find in the location, because all person's name will be starting from the capital letter. Okay, so that's the main important thing. You should write it down. So before going to the location of these person's name in the paragraph, definitely we will read all the options. We will read all the options. We will try to understand its meaning, and you can say I will underline some keywords. Those keywords that I am hoping that they can't change it, or I can understand the paraphrasing or synonym of that keyword. Okay, so let's read it. A business cannot. So business is not a keyword, because in everywhere every paragraph you will get business word. So in top title is just business only. A business cannot rely on the success of one good innovation. So rely means trust on the success of one good innovation. So one good innovation. Okay, a group important word here. A group approach is an effective way of generating innovation. A group approach means in any organization or business, group approach means including employees, employers, everyone. That is group approach. Employees, again here employees word is there. Employees are more creative in a culture that accepts failure. Okay, so employees important word here, and they are more creative if some in a culture that accepts failures. Radical innovations will provide greater income than minor changes. So here greater income and minor changes are important words according to me. Businesses with a structured approach. Structured approach here means planned kind of approach, you can say, to innovation are more likely to succeed. Are more likely means like prediction they are doing it. Innovation consists of a new idea combined with business potential. Okay, innovation consists of a new idea combined with business potential. A business that concentrate on responding to clients. Client word is important here. Needs may overlook the need for wider development. Now I have read all the options with See this, all the words are not coming again and again. Whatever the words or keywords I have selected, they are not in other options, other questions. Here group, here rely, here one good innovation, here effective way of generating innovation. Okay, employees here, creative, radical innovation, greater income, minor changes. So these are the words that they are not in other questions. That mean, so let's find this person, first person name, FOA. Sorry to pronounce, I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, that doesn't matter here. Pronunciation is not my test. My test is to get correct answer and how to get location of this question. So in first paragraph, no word is like that. In second paragraph, I can't see this word. So let's move to next paragraph. So here in C paragraph, let's find, I can see this person name. Okay, and in fact here another person name is there. I think this is second one. Okay, let's read this paragraph. Participants interested in breakthrough innovation believe if innovation doesn't deliver bottom line results, it is just creativity. Indeed, the very definition of innovation for Afwa, invention plus commercialization. Invention plus commercialization. What is commercialization? Money, income and all. Invention plus, somewhere they were doing it. Let's read it. Invention plus commercialization. This is the clue. Cannot rely on success of one good innovation. Group approach is not there. Employees are more creative. No. Radical innovation. No. Businesses with structured approach. Here it is not given like that. Innovation consists of new idea combined with business potential. Combined here means plus. So they have combined invention plus commercialization. Consist of a new idea plus invention is new idea combined with business potential. So here we will write A number. Okay, 6 number. The 6 number question, in front of question number 6, A will come. Now second person, it is already there, Kim and Mo Bonge. Okay, so second person we are looking, what we are looking here. The relationship of innovation to financial performance was well demonstrated by Kim. Financial performance was well demonstrated by Kim. In manufacturing environments, they found that 86% of product launches involved small improvements to existing models, that is incremental changes. They accounted for only 62% total revenue or total profit. The remaining launches, the real breakthrough innovation generated this and this. Okay, next line. The innovation may offer one significant way that combines companies can gain an advantage, but we are looking for this person, Kim. And so in the relationship of innovation to financial performance was well demonstrated by this. Okay, business cannot rely on success of, this is not given. A group approach is an effective way. Group is also not there. Employees are more creative in a culture. Employees kind of thing is not there. Radical innovation, greater income, minor changes. See this. Yes, look at this. Greater income they are talking. Okay, and some changes also they are talking. So without reading, without understanding, I have just found the answer. For fourth number we will write here B. If better option will come for fourth number, definitely I will change it. Still I am explaining you how you can get answers. So 2 answers we have got. Okay, B and 6th and this one, 4th one. Now next person we can read. This paragraph is done. Okay, now Utterback, it is in next paragraph. One by one we will get all persons, all experts in the paragraph. Innovation may offer one significant way that companies can gain an advantage. Utterback's concept of dominant design provides insight into how innovation can create a temporary monopoly situation that will weaken competitive forces. However, when an innovative product or service is launched, rivals typically try to begin copy it. Hence, now this is the conclusion of his saying. Hence, it is necessary for the company to continuously seek further ways to innovate. So it means indirectly, so it is not necessary, it is necessary for the company to continuously seek further ways to innovate. A business cannot rely on the success of one good innovation. Yes, it because whenever new thing is coming, other rival companies, they will start copying it. So here this person is saying, Utterbeck is saying, it is necessary for the company to continuously seek, means looking further ways to innovate new things. So here C will come with this. Okay, now D person. Uh, Here nothing is there, and let's move to next. Now let's read D person name. Here I can see D person name here, Hargadon and Sutton 2000. Okay, so this person is here. Every innovation process has its strength and weakness, but it seems that when a company sets up systematized innovation process, it communicates importance to innovation the entire organization. As I told you, systematic word structure approach it is given, but let's read it little bit more. The best companies have learned to systemize the process, that is this person is saying systematize process. Here it is, businesses with a structured approach to innovation are more likely to succeed. Okay, so here we can get this option, fifth number, with D person. Structured approach is here a systematic innovation, you can say. Yes, here for this we have selected. Okay, now H. Now how many are left? Second is also left, third is also left, and seventh is also left. Okay, let's move to another person, Khan. The primary disadvantage of having a structured. Okay, so here no person name is there, so let's move to next paragraph. So here this person name, this we have done, this also systemite, this we have done. So I am looking for E number person. Of course 3 options are also left, it means some person name will come twice. Okay, employees word is here, so let's read it here. So employees kind of option is still left, let's read it. Yes, one more thing I think I have left, a group approach. Here entire organization is also given. A group approach is an effective way of generating innovation. So here it is systematized innovation process. It communicates the importance of innovation to the entire organization. So on the basis of this entire word, a group approach is an effective way of, we can select this, but yes, I am not satisfied with this answer. So till now I will mark it question mark for this. Okay, so we were looking for this E number person also. You can see this in this paragraph, no one is talking about this, no person name is here. Here in this also no person name is here. In this also no person name is here. Here also no person name is here. And the last paragraph, second last paragraph, yes, second last paragraph, no, here also, yeah, another person, yeah, the same D person again is here. Yes, now I was just thinking that this another person will come twice here. So again D person name is here, let's read it. Oh, I can see team members should be selected for their tendency to more creative and for more risky. So now I was correct that team member, now they have started talking, means group approach is an effective way of generating innovation. A team member should be selected for their tendency to be more creative or more risking. This could markedly increase innovation output. So in organization, teams means group approach. So I will not read further. So D number will come with second number. This also we have selected. Now employees kind of thing is left, and the last one, seventh, client is also left. So let's find E number person here. So in last paragraph I can see here, last paragraph, this person name. See this, on the basis of this person what we have left, let's read. Raising the risk tolerance would reduce the amount of analysis required to bring a new idea to market, shortening the cycle time of new product service development. According to this person, people come alive when they feel safe. Okay. It is a threat and anxiety that, okay, people come alive. Which people? Okay, here also he is talking most of the problems cited by participants were due to low tolerance for risk by employees and by committees. So it means risk tolerant kind of thing. Yes, here they are not a business concentrate responding clients and all. No, this is not like that. So here I can say employees are more creative in a culture that accepts failure. So here they are talking of failure means risk kind of thing, negative words it is there. So this is E number. Now a seventh number is left, where a business that concentrate on responding to client kind of thing we need to find. Now my only problem here is to get clients. Concentrate on responding to clients need may overlook. Where is client? So I need to read it from upper side. Okay, client may be changing. So here they have started talking about persons, experts, changes remaining revenue, dominant design can create temporary. Okay, importance of innovation. So I am trying to look for client or customer. Client can be customer. Innovation, employees into, so yeah, customer is here. Yes, I got the word here, customer. Now who this person is, who is saying it, we need to find it. The primary disadvantage, Utterback. Oh, how I missed it. Sorry. A potential disadvantage of this approach, according to this evolutionary change, can be missed when companies are too focused on pleasing customers. My God, I have missed this name here actually. So for this, we have got the correct answer. C is the answer.